Good morning, students. So, in today's class, we would be studying about undersubscription of shares and oversubscription of shares. So, there are three types of subscriptions, that is, full subscription, that is, how many shares have been issued by the company has been applied by the public. Then there is undersubscription, that is, how many shares are issued by the company, less than that the company has applied for shares, so that will be under subscription. And then there is oversubscription, which is the number of shares which is issued by the company, more than that has been applied by the company. So till now we were doing the problems on full subscription, that is when the public subscription and the shares issued by the company was same. Write down the next side heading under subscription of shares. Under that, write down sometimes number of shares applied for by the public is less than the number of shares offered by the company. Full stop. Such an issue is said to be under subscription of shares. Say for example, if the company has issued 10,000 shares and the public has subscribed only for 9,000 shares. So this is under subscription of shares. So let us take down an illustration. Shiva Limited issued 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a discount of 10%. Payments were to made on application 3, allotment 4, first and final call 2. Applications were received for 18,000 shares and all were accepted. All money was duly received. So here it is under subscription of shares, that is out of 20,000 only 18,000 has been received. So past necessary journal entries. So journal entries, draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first entry will be bank account debited to share application account. So how many shares? Instead of writing 20,000, you will be only taking 18,000 shares which is applied by the public. So 18,000 into 3, 54,000, 54,000. Write the narration. Money received on application for 18,000 shares at rupees 3. Next, transfer this application to share capital. So share application account debited to share capital account. 50,000, 54,000, 54,000. Write the narration. Transfer of application money to share capital account. Next is allotment stage, but in allotment stage we have a discount at 10%. So it is share allotment account debited, share discount account debited to share capital account. 10% is the discount. That is 1 rupee is the discount. So 18,000 into 4, 72,000. 18,000 into 1, 18,000, and total is 90,000. Why have I written 18,000 into 4? Because add this, 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 9, which means rupees 1 is the discount. Clear? So write the narration. Amount due on allotment excluding discount. Next we have bank account debited to share allotment account. 72,000 debit, 72,000 credit. Allotment money received. Next we have first call and final call. So share first and final call account debited to share capital account. That is 18,000 into 2, 36,000 debit, 36,000 credit. Write the narration. Share first and final call due. Next we have bank account debited to share first and final call account. 36,000 debit, 36,000 credit. Write the narration. Share first and final call money received. Next we prepare the balance sheet of Shiva Limited. Particulars, note number, current year, previous year. Then we have notes to accounts, particulars, amount and amount. So first we have share capital. Under that we have issued capital. What is issued? 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each, that is 2 lakh. Next we have subscribed and paid up capital, 18,000 shares of rupees 10 each, that is 1,80,000. Second we have unamortized expenses. So our discount, share expenses, all these will come under the heading unamortized expenses. So we have share discount. How much is it? 18,000. Last, third we have cash and cash equivalents. Under that we have cash at bank. We'll go to our journal entries. Whatever is debit we will add, whatever is credit in the bank we will deduct. So it is 1,62,000. Go to the journal entries. Wherever there is bank we would be adding it, that is 54,000 plus 72,000 plus 36,000. Next go to the balance sheet. We have first one, equity and liabilities. Under that shareholders funds. First one we have share capital. How much is the share capital? Note number 1, 1,80,000. Next we have second, assets. Under that we have other current or non-current assets. Under that we have unamortized expenses. Note number 2, 18,000. Next we have current assets. Under that cash and cash equivalents. Note number 3, 1,62,000. So what is the total? 1,80,000, and liability total is also 1,80,000. Clear? So this is how you work out a problem when there is under subscription. Whatever is the subscribed capital, that we would be taking and writing it as application allotment of first or final call. Next, take down the side heading, oversubscription of shares. When the public applies for more number of shares than issued by the company, such subscription is known as oversubscription of shares. So if the company has issued 15,000 shares but the public has subscribed for 20,000 shares, then it is oversubscription of shares. So in this case what happens? The company cannot allot more than what has already been issued by the company. So in this case the board of directors will allot shares on pro rata basis. So what do we mean by pro rata basis? It means that smaller number of shares are allotted to each applicant according to the number of shares applied by him. So next line you can write down, pro rata basis means that smaller number of shares are allotted to each applicant according to the number of shares applied by him. So in this case we will be having different journal entries. First one, when applicants are not allotted any shares. So when the applicants are not allotted any shares, their money is returned back to them. So the entry will be share application account debited to bank account, in bracket application money returned. Next we have second entry. When applicants are allotted smaller number of shares, comma, the excess amount received on application is utilized towards the amount due on allotment. So in this case, the entry will be share application account debited to share allotment account, in bracket excess application money utilized for allotment. Next we have third one. When the excess application money exceeds the money due on allotment, comma, such amount is to be returned, full stop. If the amount is retained, it must be transferred to calls in advance account. So the entry is share application account debited to share allotment account, and if the money is retained, it is to calls in advance account, in bracket excess application money utilized for allotment and calls. So these will be the entry in case of oversubscription of shares. Take down an illustration. Illustration 22. X Limited invited application for 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Public applied for 30,000 shares and the allotment are as under. To applicants 8,000 shares. To applicants for 16,000 shares, only 12,000 shares. To applicants for 6,000 shares, nil. So whoever has applied for 8,000 shares will get full shares. Whoever applied 16,000 shares will get only 12,000 shares. And to who has applied 6,000 shares, they will not get anything. All money were duly received. Pass journal entry. Second case, which value has been affected by making full allotment to the applicants for 8,000 shares and rejecting the applicant for 6,000 shares? Suggest a better alternative. So we have journal entries. Draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first they have said that they have received application for 30,000 shares. So the first journal entry remains the same. Bank account debited to share application account. That is 30,000 into 3 is application. 90,000 debit, 90,000 credit. Write the narration. Application received for 30,000 shares. Next they have said that invited only 20,000 shares. So what will be the journal entry? Share application to share capital account. So first entry, next entry usually is what? Share application account debited to share capital account. And what will be the amount? It is 20,000 into 3, that is 60,000. They have returned the money to how much? 6,000 shares are not got any shares. So the entire money is returned. 6,000 into 3, 18,000. And the remaining is adjusted in allotment stage. So to share allotment account. How much is it? 20,000 plus 6,000, 26,000. 30,000 minus 26,000, 4,000 into 3, that is 12,000. Total is 90,000. Write the narration. Application money transferred. Now if I would have been splitting this entry, what will be the entry? It is share application to share capital, that is 20,000 into 3, our normal whatever we write, correct? Then I had given you journal entries. Now what was it? It was application money returned. So 6,000 shareholders were not given any money. So the second entry would have been share application to bank account, 6,000 into 3, 18,000 debit, 18,000 credit. And then they have said when applicants are allotted smaller number of shares, we transfer the excessive to allotment. So the entry would be share application to share allotment account, correct? 6,000 are returned, 20,000 are issued by the company. How much is remaining? Excessive is 4,000, which they transfer it to allotment. So it would have been 4,000 into 3, 12,000, 4,000 into 3, 12,000. So instead of writing 3 separate journal entries, I did a combined journal entry, that is share application account to share capital account to bank account to share allotment account. Next we have allotment entry, share allotment account debited to share capital account. How much is it? 20,000 into 2 is the allotment money, 40,000 debit, 40,000 credit. Write the narration. Allotment due on 20,000 share. Next we have bank account debited to share allotment account. Out of 40,000, 12,000 has already been adjusted towards application. So what is remaining? 28,000 debit, 28,000 credit. Write the narration. Allotment money received hyphen 40,000 less 12,000 already received. So the allotment money of 12,000 is already received. So out of 40,000 we have received 12,000. So we are paying only the remaining balance, that is 28,000. Next we have share first call account debited to share capital account, 20,000 into 2.5, 50,000 debit, 50,000 credit. Write the narration. Amount due on first call. Next the entries are same. It is bank account debited to share first call account, 50,000 debit, 50,000 credit. Write the narration. Amount received on first call. Next it is share final call account debited to share capital account. Again it is 40,000, 20,000 into 2.5, 50,000 debit, 50,000 credit. Write the narration. Amount due on final call. Then we have bank account debited to share final call account, 50,000 debit, 50,000 credit. In bracket amount received on final call. So we have completed the first question, that is past necessary journal entries. Then they have asked us which value has been affected by making full allotment to the applicants for 8,000 shares and rejecting the application for 6,000 shares. So write down B. Value of equality has been affected by making full allotment to some applicants and rejecting the application for 6,000 shares were small investors. Full stop. Better alternative would have been to make pro rata allotment among all the applicants. So if they would have done pro rata basis, in that case all the investors would have got some shares or another. In the problem what happened, 6,000 shares जिसने भी apply किया था, they were small investors. So the company didn't give them any shares. Clear? So this is a problem of oversubscription. Tomorrow we would be continuing more problems. So that's all for today. Thank you.